Captain Namco here, going to do another Kirby video with my Heritage 2, and this time my headlight quit working. Not sure what happened, but hey, still back. It's actually the first time in a while I've had the light burn out on a vacuum. But this time I can't do anything about it right now because I don't have the spray light bulb for it. So alright. I'm going to show you something while this thing is running. Maybe you guys can help me. Alright, I'm going to raise the headlight up. As you can see, nothing. So I'm thinking if the light bulb does not solve that issue, then that headlight lens quit working. So we'll have to see what happens. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see y'all next time. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you. Have a great day, everybody.